सर बहुत देर से वेट कर
मराठीमध्ये बोला. मुंबईमध्ये आहे तर मराठी बोलायचं, नाही आहे तर घरी जायचं.
काय झाला?
काय झालं मला माहित नाही. तुम्ही आले माझ्याकडे, काय झालं तुम्ही सांगणार काय झालं.
सर आती नहीं है हमको मराठी. सॉरी सर.
काय मराठीमध्ये महाराष्ट्रामध्ये आले तुम्ही, मराठी येत नाही. चला बोला.
सर लाइसेंस का बहुत
क्या
देर से
हुआ?
वेट कर रही हूँ, तो मतलब थोड़ा सेटिंग
हाँ
करके
तो सेटिंग
थोड़ी
मतलब
जल्दी।
सेटिंग
चाय
setting
पानी
मतलब?
थोड़ा सा चाय पानी.
पिया मैं,
चलो खाना.
खाना खाया मैं.
क्या कर रहे हैं आप? आपको पता है आप जैसे सिटीजन की वजह से ही इनका नाम बदनाम होता है.
देखो सीखो. आपको लाइसेंस पहले मिलेगा. चलो पीछे बोलो कौन सा लाइसेंस चाहिए आपको. लॉरी का लाइसेंस चाहिए.
ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस चाहिए सर.
आप लगता है हेवी ड्यूटी गाड़ी चलाते हैं.
नहीं मुझे आती नहीं ड्राइविंग चलानी, पर लाइसेंस मिल जाए एक बार तो सीखूंगी.
लाइसेंस हाउ कैन यू से दैट लाइसेंस मिल जाए उसके बाद सीखूंगी. यू नो इफ पीपल सी दिस पीपल आर गोइंग टू किल देमसेल्व्स. हाउ कैन यू से लाइसेंस मिल जाए उसके बाद मैं सीखूंगी.
इसको काट देना.
नो बट दिस इज वेरी फनी. इट इज वेरी फनी बट मतलब ये वही बात हो गई. आप फिल्म दिखा तो टिकट में बाद में खरीद लूंगी.
Hi guys, welcome to It's a Wrap. Today we have with us Akshay Kumar and Moni Roy. Hi guys, welcome to the
Hello.
show. So we're going to start off with a quick game. So you have to pick up the chits and she has to guess whether it's a truth or a lie.
I have danced wearing only a pair of briefs and banana leaves in the middle of a lake with Saif Ali Khan.
Wrong.
You are absolutely wrong.
I'm wrong.
You are absolutely wrong.
How you?
I have.
No, but it's written with Saif Ali Khan.
Yeah, with Saif Ali Khan in a lake.
Didn't you do it in जीने के हैं 4 दिन? Oh.
That was.
Wrong actor.
I can't believe you losing today.
Oh shit.
You are losing. Moni, how can you lose in a
I was
game?
thinking about that song.
सलमान से पहले मैंने सैफ को याद किया हुआ है.
माफ कर दो मुझे.
In one movie, my only role was to throw flowers at Ranbir Kapoor during a marriage sequence.
When is this that she's talking about?
So this was actually in 1986. That is about 33 years back.
False. This is false.
You are wrong again.
Oh no! What is happening to me?
He's done some really fun things in the early half of his career.
How can you not guess it?
I didn't know this.
This actually very few people know.
Yeah, I didn't know this.
I don't know how they got it from.
Research.
Yeah,
Oh shit.
their research team is very, very
I
good.
am my research
How many?
team.
How many
You know,
questions are there?
this basically,
There are
I had
three
gone to see the shooting of the film.
Okay.
The film was called Harjai.
Okay.
Okay, and then I just gone to see the shooting. I was not an actor or anything. I was just gone to see, and then somebody came. Arey, hello, pool peko. I was throwing pool.
Oh no. Wow.
I once had a role in a movie for 7 seconds.
7 seconds only. False. False.
You are again wrong.
You're tanking today.
Can I like go and hide somewhere? Which movie did you have a role for 7 seconds?
Aaj, directed by Mahesh Bhatt.
I haven't seen the movie and I thought, oh no.
Don't worry,
Do
nobody
you
saw
have
it.
anything that's false in there?
Twinkle and I were originally going to name our son Arjun.
False. That's also true.
No, I'm giving you. Abhi
No,
tu
I'm
do
saying
dege.
false.
False?
Huh.
You are right.
Thank God.
You are absolutely right.
Thank God.
So it was the score 3-1.
3-1. Yeah.
Come
Finally.
You winning. You won. बस
एक और है
last
तेरे
one
पास?
हाँ बस but it's still you won.
मतलब but you can guess this at least so that
Just
मतलब
to-
score
just so
3-2
that I
कोई
know.
मतलब अगर तू बाहर जाके किसी को बोले तो it should look like okay I at least tried. I really believe in numerology and my lucky number is 2. That is why I did that film Toilet Ek Prem Katha also.
False.
Why do you say so?
False.
2 is my lucky number.
And you don't believe in numerology. I know it because I was sitting in that one meeting with all of you when you
This is false. I do believe in numerology and my lucky number is 9. Ask
Okay.
her.
Yes.
Okay. But okay.
So you get only half mark.
No,
half of
full. It was true or false? No. The game is true. I was saying false.
Okay, this is also true.
Yeah, I was saying false. Come on, you won.
But you lost.
You won.
You
Yeah,
lost.
but I'm not giving you half my point. So 3-2. Oh God, this is so shameful.
La la la.
अरे कोई नहीं देख रहा, रेड लाइट स्किप करते हैं, जल्दी पहुंचना है हमें.
देखो वैसे भी है ना, मैं तुम लोगों दोनों से तंग आया हूँ. पता है, मैं कोई नहीं देख रहा मतलब अभी तो रुकेंगे. अच्छा तुम दोनों समझ नहीं सकते हो.
क्या?
देखो मैंने सीट बेल्ट पहन रखी, तुम दोनों ने नहीं पहनी.
मैंने तो पहनी हुई है.
कहाँ पहनी? ये देखो मेरा सीट बेल्ट, तुम्हारा कहाँ है?
सॉरी, लो मैं अभी पहन लेती हूँ.
हाँ तुम्हारे
मेरा तो बैक
और
सीट में
उस-
सीट बेल्ट कौन पहनता है?
बैग पहनते हैं,
होता है ना,
होता है. बैक सीट में तुम्हारे
रेड लाइट
रेड लाइट पे रुके हुए हैं ना. क्यों रेड लाइट पे रुके रहेंगे? आपका क्या ख्याल है, रेड लाइट पे चलना चाहिए?
जी नहीं, वहाँ से गाड़ी आके टकरा गई तो मर नहीं जाएंगे हम सब.
बट लेट हो रहा है, मूवी
अरे
मिस कर
एक बात
देंगे.
क्या
बताइए,
हुआ?
एक बात
बेटर
बताइए,
है ये.
अगर खाली भी होता तो भी निकल जाते,
नहीं,
तो फिर क्यों बोलिए गाड़ी आ जाएगी टकरा जाएगी? बोल रेड लाइट पे
इसको
जाते ही नहीं
समझाना
है.
ऐसे बहुत जरूरी है ना, तो समझती नहीं है.
इसको तो थप्पड़ मार के समझा दो.
मूवी में 5 मिनट लेट होना चलता है, पर रेड लाइट स्किप करना नहीं चलता है. You have to be
और
responsible
वैसे भी
citizen.
मूवी जब शुरू होती है तो वो नो स्मोकिंग का आता है, वो तो आपने देखा ही हुआ है. और आप तो पीते भी नहीं है, तो फिर मिस कर लो. वेट करते चलो. यू लव दिस गेम. घर जाके तू खेलेगी ये गेम. नहीं तू प्लीज घर जाके
No, I
खेलना.
like the seat belt. So I'm having fun with it, यार.
मैं तो ये करने वाला था, हेलमेट भी पहन के.
Akshay, so this is your first time working with Reema Kagti, and her filmology is quite diverse, whether it's the movies she's directed or co-written. So was there something about her as a director that set her apart, or tell us a little bit about her process?
Well, she is very hardworking. She's different. She's focused, and she takes lots of takes.
Really
Yeah.
tough taskmaster.
Yeah, she's a very tough taskmaster. I have seen something about her. She looks at us, but उसकी एक नज़र है ना हमेशा पीछे भी रहती है. What are the character actors behind junior artist, behind the car guy, that behind the driver, everybody is doing. उसकी जो दाहिनी आँख रहती है वो उन पे रहती है. And she notices every small detail what is happening behind.
Wow, yeah.
So I keep on telling her many times, look at us also. Look at us. Wow. But she has noticed that that guy moved. Why is that guy moving? Stop him. So that is what I found. And she's very sweet. She is hardworking. And the rest, please, you go ahead.
Tell us about your experience working with Reema.
He has said most of it, but it was an absolute dream. Also, that her writing is very fluid. So even when the character is needed to talk in Hindi like she's speaking in Bangla or he is speaking in Bangla, even then the flow of the lines are very easy breezy. So it's almost like conversation, like how you and me are talking. Right. To achieve that kind of spontaneity, you need like a Reema Kagti.
Right,
So she is quite diverse, like you said yourself, and it was an absolute pleasure.
Right. So, Moni, can you tell the viewers what is the difference in processes between switching from a television series to a feature film?
Well, in the process, I mean, we don't really have a lot of time for prep and, we have a constant telecast or on-air time to kind of achieve.
I know one difference. Yeah. Big screen is picnic and it's hard work.
It's not picnic, but it's...
This is picnic. आओ और वैन में बैठो और थोड़ा काम वाम करके चल जाओ. और क्या करते हम लोग?
हाँ. And we love what we do, so it's quite...
As opposed to...
Nothing. No, I'm
इतना
not
बड़ा चेक लेके जाओ.
And the movies have songs, original songs.
And
That's the
do you
difference.
wish that television series would have songs? No.
Yeah, why not? But we get to dance on all the popular numbers anyway. And
Yeah,
we
in the-
use them in the
yeah,
BG, so it's quite nice.
So Moni, you're a Bengali and so was your character in the movie. Was there any instances where you helped him with his characters?
200 साल पुराना गुलामी का बदला लेगा।
खूब भालो स्वप्ना।
The honest truth is that he has helped me out throughout the film, whether it was a song or in a scene. He has these small nuances and spontaneous suggestions where he would say, why don't we do it like this, or why don't you add this to your line, or this in your action of whatever you're doing. So all the help from was there to hear and not the other way around. And he is a natural even when it comes to accents or getting into the skin of the character. So no, I didn't have to help him at all with anything.
Did you pick up anything while just watching her?
I have picked up how to work hard.
Right.
He's just saying it just like that to be nice. But you know
तो
how
तुमने अभी तक जो क्या बोला वो what was that? you saying?
that was the utmost truth.
So what am I
Gospel.
speaking the false?
No, you are also.
No, मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ.
नहीं.
मैडम, ये आपका पत्रा आपने नीचे फेंक दिया.
डस्टबिन ही तो है.
कहाँ है डस्टबिन?
इतना सारे लोगों ने कचरा किया है यहाँ पे.
बताओ.
सर एक सेकंड, आप
और-
अपने काम से काम रखिए ना. ये मतलब अरे ऐसे थोड़ी ना करते हैं.
डस्टबिन ही तो है.
मैं आदमी इंसान हूँ,
तो ये रास्ता है.
तो रास्ते पे तो फेंक सकते हैं ना.
तो फिर इयरिंग्स पे भी फेंक सकते हैं और टॉप पे भी फेंक सकते हैं
ये
और
गलत
आपके
बात
पैंट
है.
पे भी फेंक सकते हैं.
ये तो गलत बात है.
क्या बात?
Come on, you won.
But you lost.
You won.
You lost. I must say I love your earrings.
Thank you.
Yeah,
It's
you're
really
very
nice.
pretty.
It's really nice.
Thank you. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna blush and cry.
No, really, it's very nice. What is it?
Fake
No,
gold.
fake. I know. It's not gold. I mean, it's silver.
नहीं gold है.
Gold?
No silver. Gold guys, because gold के shoot पे gold.
नहीं, ये gold नहीं है.
Everyone-
इसका तो पानी उतर गया. But nothing to beat that. क्या आप लाइसेंस दे दीजिए, मैं सीख बाद में लूँगी. Nothing to beat that. I'm going to go home and tell my children this.
No.
So, in the whole program, how many times have you done this? Come on. I have counted it. You can count it after that. I'll tell you, I'll give you the option. 32, 36,
Oh my god, this is
Yeah,
all in
40.
34, 32. It's not 32. What are you saying? No way.
it is 27. How many times has she done
Yeah,
this?
she's constantly-
She's constantly doing this.
What is your sun sign?
Taurus.
Okay, no. It's not much. Nothing. I'll tell you
What do you
later.
want to say? Sign of bull.
No. This means somebody who touches her hair all the time, it means something. Like you're a very sexy, sensual girl. That's why I keep doing it like this.
Wow. That's a
Like
compliment
to
you
play
paid.
with your hair all the time.
पता है छोटू, उसमें इतनी एनर्जी है ना, वो स्टार्ट से लेके एंड तक 2 घंटे में पूरा घर भी साफ कर देता है, खाना भी बना देता है, गाड़ी भी साफ कर देता है. इतना यंग है, इट्स रियली हेल्पफुल. पता है.
छोटू आपका नया सर्वेंट है.
हाँ.
कितने साल का है वो?
होगा कुछ 13-14.
गलत बात है.
गलत बात है.
बहुत गलत बात है. आप इतने छोटे बच्चे को कैसे रख सकते हो घर पे काम करने के लिए?
एनर्जी लाता है ना.
ऐसा आई होप हम से आप उसकी पढ़ाई का ध्यान रख रहे हो. स्कूल पे जाता है वो?
But अब जब ये वाला काम करता है तो
स्कूल जाने की क्या जरूरत
है ना. आई मीन
है? सारी पढ़ाई आप खुद अपने लिए करते हो.
Like, share, comment, subscribe, and please go watch Gold on
The 15th of August at a theatre near you or far away from you, right?
And whenever you're driving, take your license. First, learn how to drive your car and then take a license.
Please go and watch Gold. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.